Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video we have learned how to change direct speech into indirect speech, and we have also learned the 3 rules of changing direct to indirect speech. So in this video we are going to learn some types of sentences which can be changed into indirect speech. So let's begin. First of all, starting with the compassionate name of Allah, who is the most gracious and sublime. So in this video we are going to learn some basic types of sentences which can be changed into indirect speech. So first came the exclamatory sentences. As the name shows that the sentence which expresses the state of joy, sorrow or wonder is called exclamatory sentence. For example, hurrah, we won the match. Now this sentence is showing us the state of joy. Second sentence is, alas, I failed the test. Now this sentence is showing us the state of sorrow. Number third sentence is, wow, what a nice t-shirt it is. Now this sentence is showing us the state of wonder. So these come in exclamatory sentences. Now we will learn how to change such sentences into indirect speech. To change such sentences, the words exclaim with joy, exclaim with sorrow, or exclaim with wonder is added in the reporting word, depending upon the nature of exclamatory sentence in indirect speech. For example, you can see take the first example that he said, hurrah, I won a prize. Now this sentence is showing us the state of joy. First of all, we have to observe the nature of the sentence, that whether it is expressing the state of joy, whether it is expressing the state of sorrow, or whether it is expressing the state of wonder. So after observing the nature of the sentence, then we will change the sentence into indirect speech. First sentence is expressing us the state of joy. So in indirect speech it would become, he exclaimed with joy that he had won a prize. Now the word exclaimed with joy is replaced by hurrah. So this is some basic rule in changing the exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. Second example is, she said, alas, I failed an exam. Now this sentence is showing us the state of sorrow. So when it will be converted into indirect speech, it would become, she exclaimed with sorrow that she failed an exam. Now the words exclaimed with sorrow is replaced by the word alas. Third example is, John said, wow, what a nice t-shirt it is. Now this sentence is showing us a state of wonder, that what a nice t-shirt it is. So in indirect speech it would become, John exclaimed with wonder that what a nice t-shirt it is. Now the word wow is replaced by the word exclaimed with wonder. So this was when we changed the exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will learn the second type of sentence, that how we can change that sentence into indirect speech. For more videos, like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video.
So take care everyone and bye bye.